If you're using Google Calendar to manage your meetings or events, just imagine what you can do when you connect it to n8n. From creating calendar events to sending reminders before meetings or even syncing it with CRM, automation possibilities are endless with Google Calendar Note. Now, if you're using n8n Cloud, connecting Google Calendar is pretty straightforward. But if you're on a self-hosted version of n8n, setup does take few extra steps. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to connect Google Calendar to your self-hosted n8n instance, and then we'll build a simple test workflow to make sure everything is working. If you haven't met yet, I'm Asif from AI Agency Plus. We help small businesses save time and money by leveraging AI and automation. If you're a business owner looking to implement automation in your business, feel free to book a discovery call with me. The link is in the description below. If you're getting any value from the video, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you're stuck with anything, drop a comment. I do look at every single comment and reply back. So let's get started. So first step is to enable Google Calendar API in Google Console. We'll do that. Go to Google Console. Here we are in Google Console. For this demo, I'm going to create a brand new project so everything is organized. So just click on new project and name the new project. I've named it n8n Google Calendar, and then just click on create. This will create a new project. The project have been created. Let's navigate to the project. Here we are in the new project. Go to the marketplace and enable Google Calendar API. Just search for Google Calendar API, navigate to it and enable. Once the API has been enabled, just navigate to API and services and OAuth consent screen. Here, just click on get started. Give this app a name. Just going to name this app as n8n Google Calendar. Support email. Just going to select my email. Click next. Audience is going to be external. Contact information. We just type the same email here. Click next. Agree to the terms and then continue and then create. The app has been created. Next step is to add the audience. So just click on the audience tab here, enter the calendar account and press save. Next, navigate to data access. Click on add or remove scopes. Select all the scopes and update. Once all the scopes have been added, just go back into API and services and credentials. Here, click on create credentials, OAuth, client ID. Application type is web application. Name, we can just leave it as default. And here, authorize redirect URI. We need to get this detail from n8n. So let's just get back to the n8n instance. Click on create credentials. Here, just search for Google Calendar. Continue there. And this is the URL that we're going to enter for redirect URI. So just click to copy. Come back here, add URI, and then paste that URL in here and create. Here's the client ID and client secret that we're going to use to establish the connection with n8n. Copy the client ID, go back to n8n and paste the client ID. Next, copy the client secret, go back to n8n and then paste the client secret. Click on sign in with Google. And here's the pop-up for login. Click on the name, continue, give all the permissions that it's needed, click on continue, and the connection have been successfully established. Let's create a simple workflow to test our connection. The trigger is going to be a simple on chat message. Next, we'll add an AI agent to it. And for the AI agent, I am going to add a system message. This is the system message that we're going to add to say like current time is now. So it knows what's today's date and time. And then we're just going to say like add a calendar event based on user's request. As simple as it can get. So next we're going to add the chat module. The chat module is OpenAI default values. The tool is where we're going to add the Google Calendar node. Here's the Google Calendar tool. We are going to leave most of the values as default. Going to select the calendar And for the start, I will let AI auto define it. And that is pretty much it. So now let's write a simple message and see if the calendar entry is created. So this is my calendar. It doesn't have any meetings. So let's give it a quick message to say, I want you to create a 30 minutes event for tomorrow, 9 a.m. UK time. Let's see what it does. And here it is. You can see that it's called the Google Calendar node. And if I go in here, here's the event that was created by the AI agent. If you have any questions or you're struggling with anything, just drop a comment and I'll reply back. I'm Asif from AI Agency Plus. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.